question. Session management you are asking without if we are not maintaining user management, we are not doing user management, and still we want session management, right?
If I am coming on your website, I'm traversing, or you can say checking some categories and orders,
Hmm.
and based on their quick ID, you can check that okay, that particular user shown interest in the mobile, that particular user shown interest on the laptop. Okay, if I want to capture that particular thing, then how we can manage in our system.
Yeah, that can be managed. I think there are like uh, um, I'm not sure about how we can differentiate that, but this can be managed like if request is coming from a laptop or if request is coming from a mobile Android. So this can be managed. We can put some if checks there on the request, and we can compare if request is coming. I'm not sure about what particular thing we need to compare, but of course we can do that because in
Okay.
yeah.
Uh, so in your e-commerce project, you must send some email or SMS when you confirmed order or when delivered order, right?
Right, right.
Okay. So let's say we have 1,000 or 1 lakh customer, and we want to send SMS to all our customer that particular order has been delivered. Okay, right? In within 1 hour time window.
Uh, but order mail will go to that particular customer only, na, who is doing order.
Yes, yes, yes. So I'm asking about, let's say we have traffic. There are 1 lakh orders.
Hmm.
At the same time, they have delivered to the customer, different customer.
Okay, okay. Yeah, right, right,
And same when they delivered, you must send the SMS or email to that particular customer, right? Your
right,
order has been delivered
right,
successfully.
right.
So how do you design your system to load particular email or SMS things?
Uh, we can use string batch in that case. Um, like string, we can uh, in autosys we can just configure our batch, and it will automatically send the all the email notifications once at a time. And if we have huge traffic, we can use that.
Okay. Have you used Q
Q, yeah, little bit. I have used Q also.
for which purpose?
Q as the primary means, primary benefit we know about Q, na. So it just to maintain uh, one queue where resource will come from the uh, will be maintained in the queue, and we will be using one by one all the resources like that. So I don't remember exact what scenario I have used that, but in the similar way.
Any caching mechanism you have used?
I know that using Q only we can create cache. I created one POC where I used Q to create cache mechanism.
And have you heard about RabbitMQ?
Yeah, previously I heard, but right now I'm not like hands-on. I didn't get a chance to work upon it, but it is something. It is something. I think it is related to cache only, but it is widely used in microservices. I think I have not worked upon that.
Okay. How do you call a stored procedure in JPA or Hibernate?
Yeah, yeah, we can call directly. Like let's suppose. I'm just making one string SQL equal to, and double quotes we can write call procedure one, and this SQL string we can use directly inside JP execution methods or JDBC execution methods, and we can create that. It will call the stored procedures or procedures of the SQL, MySQL, Oracle.
Okay. And do you have experience to install SSL server onto the server, Apache Tomcat server?
No, I don't have experience
Okay. And how we can change the Tomcat port?
Tomcat port. I think right now we are just in my current project. We just go inside the application properties and we change it. In now I'm just using Spring Boot application. So there we have properties file application dot properties.
Okay. So what is the advantage of Spring Boot application over the Spring?
Uh, what I feel till now, it's like it's very much easier to work upon a Spring Boot application because everything is provided in annotation, and we just need to go in over Spring.io, and we just need to mention what type of module we want to use, Spring MVC or JPA or H2 database or web services, so anything. So it will just download all those modules. We just need to focus on our requirements, and other configuration will be handled by Spring Boot itself. And also it provides embedded Tomcat also. So we just need to go to the uh, configuration file. Means one file is there, na application Java file. So we just need to right click on it and run it as a Java application. So it will automatically run the Tomcat server, embedded Tomcat. So it makes life easier using Spring Boot.
Okay. Apart from any configuration changes, any other things you feel that is better than Spring?
In Spring Boot, we also follow microservices related architecture. So where we can just divide our whole web application into the web modules, means independent modules. So it is also a good practice. Previously I saw that my means normal web services and all, the whole application was depending upon each other only. If anything goes fails, everything goes down. But now in microservices with Spring Boot, everything each module is independent of each other, though they can transfer data with each other using REST calls. But if one module goes down, other can continue. So that's a benefit I saw.